One of the things I have experienced as a VA over the years is that clients are particular about how they share their passwords, right? When you're working with a client, you see some of them, they are skeptical about sharing their password. That's fine. It's normal for any business owner, right? And the only thing that I have discovered is that they use some of these tools like LastPass, Bitwording, and they share their password with the VA so they can be able to work with them, right? Instead of them sharing their password directly. And today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use LastPass as a VA. Stay here, right here with me as I share my screen. All right, right now I'm sharing my screen. So when it comes to LastPass, when you send your email address to a client, then the client will be able to send you an invite, right, into to based on the access the client wants to give you. The client to give you access, right, through your email. So once you send your email address, you receive an email like this, right? You receive email like this, a shared item is waiting, join LastPass. Peradventure that email you shared or is the first time of using LastPass, you don't have access to LastPass, right? So you will receive something like this, join LastPass to accept it. So once you receive something like this, you hit join LastPass and you join LastPass. You create an account with LastPass, and then once you create an account, you will then be able to have access to that email, right? When you have access to that email, be able to see where you can launch or click and have access to this item in your email. You receive a different email of the item that is being shared with you. Then you click to access the item. So once you click to access the item, you will land in this interface, right? Once you land in this interface, you have start and explore here. When you scroll a little bit, you see all items and all of that. So you can click all items, so you can be able to see all the items they have been shared. Sometimes if a client shares like up to 5 passwords, if you see up to something like this 5 in your email, right? So you can, I'm seeing one here right now because this is a new email, but in one of my other email I have like up to 5, 10, more than 10 shares. So you'll be able to see all of them here. Even if when you're done working with the client, you'll be able to see them here as well. Okay, I said they remove you from that access. So when you do something like this, if you see now, if I toggle my mouse on this, you will see launch, right? So once you see launch, you click it, and once you click it, it will launch you to the particular web that you are being shared to or something, right? So once they launches you to that page, what I've launched before, so launched, it will launch you to that web for access we're giving, right? And you'll be able to have access to whatever work you have to do. But before you start having access, you have to log in, right? It's not showing me this login answer because I've logged in before. So the first thing I did, when you go to your browser, you type in LastPass extension, right? So once you type it in, you'll be able to land something like this, and you click it. Once you click it, to ask you to add to Chrome. So it's showing me remove from Chrome right now because I've added mine to Chrome. So once you add it to your Chrome extension, you'll be able to come at the top here. Please follow my mouse. At the top here, you see something like this extension. Once you click it, you see all the extension that you installed into your system, right? So you'll be able to pin it. Once you come here, you just, if I click this now, it will unpin it, right? You see the extension, the extension has gone out. But when I pin it here, you see the LastPass came up here. So that's how you can pin your extensions on your browser. So this is LastPass right now. So as soon as I pinned it here, I went back here and launched. As soon as I launched, it showed me the interface of where I can put in the email. So once you click on this last part, it automatically launches the email and password of the client. Right? It automatically fills it. Sometimes you may not even click it. Well, as long as you have the last part extension, it just automatically fills it up in that section. So once you fill it up, you just need to give a click login. Once you click login, you'll be able to land on the interface where to start doing your work, without any issues, right? That is how you can use LastPass as a VA.
If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. And feel free to drop in the comment section any topic you'd want me to talk about. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.